What if God placed a superhero seed inside of you, one that could grow into something powerful, creative, and life-changing? In this 60-minute motivational drawing workshop, Willie Balloon takes teens and young adults on an inspiring journey through the Z Enforcers universe, where faith, purpose, and character collide with superhero action. Discover how each Z Enforcer represents a virtue placed in you by God, and how your story is waiting to unfold. This is ideal for youth groups, middle school, college, church teen nights, creative ministry workshops, after-school programs. What attendees will walk away with: a renewed understanding of the gifts and seeds God placed in them, confidence to overcome internal battles like fear, doubt, and temptation, creative inspiration to design their own superhero and story, a deeper appreciation for character development spiritually and creatively.
There are choices